Ensure your steering wheel is aligned straight. Reverse a short distance, but ensure you don't hit the vehicle behind you. Pay attention to your rear wheels and mirrors as you maneuver out of parallel parking. Turn the steering wheel fully in the direction you want to exit, then move forward. If there's not enough space to exit, turn the steering wheel fully in the correct direction and reverse a short distance. Turn the steering wheel all the way towards the road and move forward. Signal your intention to move to alert other road users. As the front of your car clears the rear bumper of the vehicle ahead, begin straightening the steering wheel. Before joining to the traffic, turn your head and look over your shoulder in the direction of the intended lane. Gradually merge into the traffic lane when it is safe to do so. Good job.